Ever wondered about the best way to clean those cast iron pots and pans? The answer involves a bit of care and a few simple steps to maintain their seasoning and prevent rust. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to keeping your cast iron cookware looking its best. First, gather your materials. You'll need mild dish soap, a sponge or scrub brush, coarse salt, cooking oil such as vegetable or canola oil, paper towels or a clean cloth, and baking soda. Now, on to the cleaning. The golden rule is to clean your cast iron cookware shortly after use. Letting it sit with food residues for too long can make the cleaning process more challenging. Begin by rinsing the pan under hot water to remove any loose food particles. Gently scrub the surface with a soft brush or sponge. Some cast iron enthusiasts avoid using soap to preserve the seasoning, but it's okay to use a small amount of mild dish soap for tougher cleaning. Just remember to avoid harsh soaps and heavy scrubbing. Got stubborn, stuck-on food? No problem. Make a paste using coarse salt and a bit of water. Gently scrub the pan with this paste, using your soft brush or sponge. Once the pan is clean, it's vital to dry it immediately and thoroughly. Use a towel or paper towels for this task. Avoid letting it air dry, as this can lead to rust. If the seasoning on your cast iron looks compromised, you may need to re-season it. Rub a thin layer of cooking oil over the entire surface of the pan, including the exterior. Wipe away any excess oil with a paper towel. Then, place the pan upside down in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and bake for 1 hour. Let it cool in the oven before removing. After each use, apply a thin layer of oil to the cooking surface. This helps maintain the seasoning and prevents rust. And if you are dealing with rust, you can remove it by scrubbing with a mixture of equal parts water and baking soda. Gently scrub the rust spots, then rinse and dry thoroughly. You'll need to re-season the pan after rust removal. Remember, the more you use and maintain your cast iron cookware, the better it becomes seasoned and non-stick. Over time, a well-seasoned cast iron pan develops a natural non-stick surface. So treat your cast iron pots and pans with care, and they'll serve you well for years to come.